We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this HP M281 printer. And the problem we've been having is we've been getting lines and blemishes on our pages when we make copies or scans. And that's going to indicate there's something dirty on the scanner glass. So today we're going to go ahead and show you how to clean the scanner glass. It's a very simple process. First thing I want to do is go ahead and open the top of the scanner. And then once you do that, you'll notice there's actually two separate pieces of glass under here. You have your large flatbed scanner for doing all your face down copies, and there's a small strip of glass here on the left side of the printer. This small strip of glass is actually used for whenever you're using this top document feeder. So whenever you're making copies or scans and you've got all your paper on the top of the printer being fed through the document feeder, all that's being copied or scanned on this small strip of glass here on the left. The reason that's important is depending on when you're seeing those blemishes occurring, whether it be when you're doing your face down copies or when you're using the top document feeder, that'll tell you what piece of glass you need to focus most of your cleaning on. So that's just a good troubleshooting tip for you. So once you get that figured out, what you're going to need is a lint-free cloth, your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have a glass cleaner available, you can use something like rubbing alcohol, but glass cleaner is definitely preferred. And then the biggest tip I can give you is to please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth. You never want to apply whatever cleaner you're using directly to the glass. If you do that, you run a high risk of it seeping underneath the glass, and then you can cause a lot more problems than you started with. So please, always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth and never to the glass on the printer. After that, we're just going to go ahead and start wiping everything down. We want to make sure we can remove any dust, dirt, fingerprints, any ink buildup, any whiteout buildup, tape, anything like that. I'm going to get all that off. Keep in mind, some spots like whiteout or ink can be a little bit more labor intensive to get off. You have to go over them a few more times. So give it a good wipe down, and then always finish with a visual inspection. Make sure you're happy the way it looks. So I got everything wiped off. I'll look it over, make sure I don't see anything still on the glass. I'm happy the way that looks. So I'd recommend actually doing a test copy or a test scan. And since I cleaned both pieces of glass in this scenario, I would actually test both the flatbed and the document feeder scanner, making sure that I'm not getting blemishes from either side. And if you're not, then you're good to go. If you're still getting some slight little blemishes, then there's probably still something on that scanner glass that's just a little bit harder to see. Repeat that cleaning process one more time and that should take care of it. Other than that, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help you out with those. Also, if there's any way we can help supply you with any of your office supply or printer supply needs, please let us know. We'd love to help supply this for you. Other than that, we hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.